Yo, what's going on, everybody? Yes, sir, I'm in the building. Today, I'm gonna show y'all how to make y'all own animated emotes for free. Y'all won't have to go hit up nobody. Y'all can make exactly what y'all want for yourself. And it's free, it's easy, it's quick. And before we even get started, please hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications. And also follow my Twitch too, cause that's what we doing it for. I mean, this will work for Twitch and YouTube, but we doing Twitch today. But yeah. So first thing first, you want to go to Twitch, go to your creator dashboard, right? Go to your viewer rewards and go to your emotes. Wow. So first thing first, Twitch added a lot of new stuff like new artist badge emote attribution. I ain't think about that right now. They got the standard emotes. I already got my emotes in there. I made all these myself, or I got them from somebody who gave them out, like packs on YouTube or whatever. Thank you, I appreciate it. But I made this one on my own, this one. These are just regular emotes. That's gonna be a whole nother video. What we want to get to is these right here, the animated emotes. I got all my slots filled right now. I need to get more subs so I can add more and more. Yeah, so before you even get started, you want to upload new animated emote. I can upload a lot. So the size that you need for a fact is shape squared dot gif, and you gotta have a maximum size of 1 MB. Be the resolution between 112 and 4096 times 4096 pixels. Cannot contain more than 60 frames. It can't be HD quality. It can't be 4K. Like, that shit gonna be too big. But anyways, we about to make one real quick, you know. So first thing I want to do is go in this app. I go in an app called Tenor. My fault. I go on Tenor or whatever, and I'm gonna just try to look up something that was kind of crazy. Look up something kind of funny. What? I don't know what's good. Ah, man, I don't know. I'm gonna go to him. So once you click on something or search up something you wanna. How you download it again? Can I just do this? Save image as. Yeah, cry. So I saved it. And then you want to go over to easygift.com. Both links will be in the description for y'all to, to favorite and bookmark these two pages so y'all can go make your own. First thing you want to do, you want to go to, I think it's resize. I'm not sure. You want to upload what you just downloaded. Was Cry. Upload that. Hit upload. Once you upload it, take a couple seconds, but here it go right here. And then you want to resize it right now. We're gonna do 112. Oh, add another 2 on there. 112 and resize image. Once you resize it, go right below and you see what it resized to, and all you gotta do is hit save. Once you hit save, they go name it to what they want to name it, and you want to go into your downloads. This is the new one. You can rename it to, I'm gonna just name it cry.gif. Bop. Now it's saved in there. Go back to Twitch and upload. Cry.gif. That's what they said. And as you can see, I uploaded it. Simple. And you can download whatever you want to download, bro. Like anything you want to download for a GIF, a emote, you can do it. Upload it. Make sure it's stuck. It's in there. And shoot. Light mode, dark mode. It's in there. Let me make sure it's in there for real. There it go. So I can add up to 25 animated emotes, and I can switch them all the time. So that's something I probably will start doing. But yeah, Tenor and easygift.com. That's all you need. I'm gonna drop the links for y'all. Appreciate y'all for taking the time out y'all day to watch this video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, cause I'm giving y'all heat. I'm giving y'all a free game. Y'all can make y'all own animated emotes. Y'all don't need mine. Y'all can be more creative and use y'all's, what y'all want to use. You know what I mean? But if you did learn something, or you want to learn something else, let me know in the comments. I'm in there giving out feedback, and if I know it, I drop a video on it, and that's just gonna be that. But y'all enjoy yourselves and making y'all emotes and stuff like that, and I'm out.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?